In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in flight with Expedia. Start by opening your browser and heading to expedia.com. On the homepage, look for the flights section along the top. Click that to bring up the flight search. Here, choose the trip type that fits your plans. Round trip for there and back, one way if you're not returning, or multi-city if you'll be flying to more than one destination on the same journey. Next, enter your departure city or airport in the leaving from box and your destination in the going to box. You can type a city name or a specific airport code. If your area has multiple airports, consider trying a few to compare prices and schedules. Now select your travel dates. Click the date fields to open the calendar, then pick your departure and, if needed, your return date. If your schedule is flexible, scanning a few nearby dates can reveal better fares. Keep an eye on travel time and time zones, especially for overnight flights. Set the number of travelers and choose your cabin class. Economy is the most affordable, premium economy adds a bit more comfort, and business or first offers the most space and perks. Make sure the traveler count matches everyone going, including children and infants. When everything looks good, click search. You'll see a list of departing flights. Use filters for stops, times, airlines, and duration to narrow it down. Select the option that best fits your schedule and budget. After choosing a flight, you'll be prompted to pick a fare, such as Economy Saver or Economy Value. Economy Saver usually has the lowest price, but the most restrictions, limited changes, and often no refunds. Economy Value typically provides a little more flexibility and benefits, which can be worth it if your plans might change. If you're booking a round trip, you'll now select your returning flight and choose the fare there as well. Take a moment to compare layover lengths and airports to ensure smooth connections. On the review page, carefully confirm your itinerary details, double-check names exactly as they appear on government ID, verify dates, times, and airports, and look at baggage allowances tied to your chosen fare. Next, select seats if the airline allows it at this stage, and add any checked bags you know you'll need. Buying bags up front can sometimes be cheaper than paying at the airport. Proceed to payment to enter traveler and contact details, add any loyalty numbers or promo codes, and choose your payment method. When everything is correct, click Complete Booking. You'll receive a confirmation with your itinerary and fare rules. Later, you can manage your trip through Expedia or the airline, and when it's time, follow the airline's instructions to check in and get your boarding pass.